Is it the right time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 11, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Broadcom as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a gain of 11.6% since we first recommended buying Broadcom 3 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has been returning 3.87% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $1,028.69, which could provide an opportunity for further gains. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $1,157.60, which may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.86% change in the stock over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.16% to 16.80%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 72.85% change in the stock over the next year, with a potential return between 52.34% and 75.72%. This suggests a price range of $1,567.98 to $1,808.63 after 1 year. Our latest update on Broadcom brings an exciting headline. On Monday, Broadcom's stock price gained an impressive 9%. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, which was Monday, December 11, 2023, Broadcom's stock price experienced a significant increase of 8.995022768188%. It went up from $944.30 to $1,029.24. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. Will this trend continue or will there be a minor break in the coming days? It's something to keep an eye on. During the last trading day, the stock had a fluctuation range of 8.7%, starting from a low of $956.27 and reaching a high of $1,039.51. Though the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 8.31% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased, along with the price, which is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 10 million shares bought and sold, with a total value of approximately $10.03 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, Broadcom's stock price reached a high of $1,039.51 and a low of $540.92. Currently, the price is 0.99% or $10.27 below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, December 11, 2023, B. Riley downgraded Broadcom, giving it a neutral grade. Also on Monday, December 11, 2023, Piper Sandler held a neutral view on Broadcom with a hold action. Furthermore, B. Riley Securities upgraded Broadcom, assigning it a buy grade on Monday, December 11, 2023. On Friday, December 8, 2023, Cowen and Company held Broadcom at a market perform grade with a hold action. Summit Insights Group upgraded Broadcom to a buy grade on Friday, December 8, 2023. Analysts have given Broadcom stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, the stock will find support from the lines at $938.08 and $919.89. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, and the stock has risen by 13.9% so far. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. Volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is indicating a sell signal. The pivot signal indicated a buy 4 days ago. The Bollinger signal indicated a buy 1 day ago. The short-term moving average signal indicated a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a sell 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average signal indicated a buy 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signal indicated a buy 28 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Broadcom. When looking at the downside, we can see that the stock finds support just below today's level. The accumulated volume suggests that support can be found at $950.24 and $944.30. Now, it's important to note that there is always a risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Broadcom, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $944.30 and $808.36. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day's movement, the stock moved $83.24 between its high and low, which represents a 8.7% change. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.72%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Broadcom, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Broadcom has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often seen in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 29, 2024. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Broadcom. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you choose to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $950.24. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Broadcom has a strong buy rating. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E bought 179,400 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E sold 84,561 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, Tan Hock E sold 15,757 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, Colwas Charlie B bought 35,880 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. On November 3, 2023, Colwas Charlie B sold 17,790 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 43.823. In total, insiders have purchased 1,914,949 shares and sold 833,442 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $989.51, which represents a decrease of 3.86%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 3 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? While Broadcom holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, it is more suitable as a hold or accumulate candidate, allowing for further development in its position. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 12th, we anticipate Broadcom to open with a decrease of -$20.90 and begin trading at $1,008.34. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decision to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so remember to comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Let us know. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading experience. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.